Hey there, kids! Welcome to the Wild Animal Quiz. Are you ready to have some fun?
I'm ready. I know everything about animals.
Ha! I bet I can guess them all faster than Timmy. Let's all take a deep breath and have some fun, okay? It's all about learning. Alright, everyone, let's start with the first question. Question number 1. What animal has the longest neck in the world? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Camel. D. Swan.
Oh, I know. It's the giraffe.
Timmy is right. Giraffes are so tall they can almost touch the clouds. That's 1 point for Timmy. Great job, buddy. Here comes question number 2. Question number 2. This animal can hop really high and carry its baby in pouch. What is it? A. Kangaroo. B. Frog. C. Rabbit. D. Squirrel. I know this one. It's a kangaroo.
I think I could hop as high as kangaroo. But I would probably trip over my tail.
Well done, Ella. You are right. That's another point for you. Time for the last question of the day. Question number 3. What animal can't fly but is an excellent swimmer and lives in cold? A. Penguin. B. Ostrich. C. Parrot. D. Eagle. It's not bird that flies. But it's still a bird, right?
I know, a penguin.
Great job, everyone. It's a penguin. Fantastic. You all got it right. Now, let's see how we did. Okay, here are the scores. Timmy has 1 point, Ella has 1 point, and Lily has 1.2. Looks like we all tied. We all did great.
I had so much fun.
The best part is learning new things and having fun together. Thanks for joining Wild Animal Quiz. Everyone, remember, nature is full of amazing creatures. Keep exploring and having fun. See you next time.
Bye bye, kids.